Hi everyone, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to copy OFR shipping address to your Taobao order address. It's super easy. Let's go. First of all, you need to go to OFR website, find the order form, and then you are going to check the shipping address here. This is a Chinese shipping address. You need to copy and paste them in your Taobao order. And I'm going to Taobao and find my order, and then I'm going to click and then click this and add a new shipping address. Once you click add new shipping address, it will automatically come out this one. Just confirm your shipping address. Click the confirm. Then once you confirm, you're going to save it as your permanent shipping address. In the future, you don't need to do that. This is only first time. Remember, click OFR that shipping address as your shipping address. Click that, and then you go into click submit your order and choose international payment.